Once you open up your driver's door, you're going to see the side of your driver's seat, and we're going to go ahead and remove these two handles and the power seat switch cover. Get that clip off there. Pop that handle off. Now behind our handle here, if you push in on the plastic trim, there is a metal clip right here. It's a little spring clip. And what we can do is just use a small pick and we can open that up. Pry that down and it goes through to the other side as well. So what we're going to do is move that spring clip, pop it off. Once that spring clip pops off, this will come right off for you. Once you have your two handles off, we're going to go for our power window switch button right here. And work our trim tool. I want to go ahead and just pop this straight out. Now on the front side of your plastic trim, there is going to be a Phillips head screw right inside here. Let's go ahead and remove that. Pop that out. Now gaining access from the back seat area, you're going to have your trim plastic right here. There's your second Phillips head screw right in here. Let's go ahead, loosen and remove this screw. Now with the screw removed, go ahead and just make sure that this is loose, which it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and move back to the front and remove this whole trim panel. Let's go ahead and grab our trim piece. I'm going to pull this outward towards us. This is going to give us access to our power seat switch right here. Here is a connector right here. Pinch this tab. Separate this. This is the little tab you'll be pinching. Separate that from the control unit right here. We're going to continue to pull up on our trim. I want to pull our seatbelt through the rubber boot area here, like so. Work our trim up and out like so. It's going to give us access to our switch right here. You can use a small flathead pocket screwdriver or a pick, and there are little tabs. There's 4 tabs, one here, here, one here, and here. And we're simply going to get in there and pry up on that, releasing those little lock tabs. There's your switch. Take your new switch, line this up, and we're simply going to press this down and into place. Make sure all 4 tabs are locked in. Line up our trim panel, and let's go ahead and push this back down and inside. Work your seatbelt up through the rubber boot here. Don't forget to reconnect your connector. Line that up. Push it on. You hear that audible click. And we have our little retainer tabs here. There's a couple that go around the perimeter of the plastic, so you want to go ahead and line these up with the seats themselves. Okay, with our cover snapped into place, let's go ahead and install our rear screw on the back side and then our front screw on the front of the seat. Go ahead and get that screw bottomed out and just snug it down into place. Take your screw, feed that in, and it might take you a moment or two to go ahead and locate the position where that screw should be fitting into. And we'll snug that down into place. Take your power seat switch cover here, line that up, push it on, snaps right into place. Now if you have your spring clip loose like this here, you just want to line up with the notches. Like so. Line that up on the shaft itself. Go ahead and give that a push. And it'll snap into place. Go ahead and repeat for the front knob here.